Hello my dear students, welcome you all on YourPedia Education. So my dear students, as you already aware that NIC declared their exam date for Special Officer, Scientific Officer, Scientist B and Technical Assistant, that is in the first week of November. So my dear students, first of all, YourPedia is going to start a dedicated batch which is a crash course batch, fine, for the NIC, these NIC posts. And second thing my dear students, as you know, YourPedia promised you that we will launch the 1000 question series to enhance, to practice for the best series. So here right time is there. So we are going to start our free live session, live series of 1000 question series which going to be start on 4th of this month. So my dear students, in this series every day, almost I can say according to the schedule, we are going to take the live sessions on YourPedia channel, where we are going to cover each and every subject, the most 50 problems. My dear students, this series is going to help you to give an overview of the subject, as well as it is trying to give you the most important problems of each and every subject. So my dear students, as YourPedia already give a plan, like on 4th of this month, TOC and compiler is going to be live. Here we are going to discuss the 50 most important problems for NIC. On 7th, algorithm and data structure. On 8th, DBMS. On 11th, operating system. On 12th, digital. 13th, computer network. On 15th, COA. On 18th, communication system. On 20th of this month, discrete math. 23rd, aptitude. 25th of this month, analog. 27th, aptitude. 28th, software engineering. On 30th, aptitude. On last day of this month, cloud, IoT, cyber security, and on 1st again aptitude. So my dear students, this series is going to be very helpful for you. So please keep live and attend the live session, and because whenever you face any query, whenever you have any doubt, so you can ask the doubt related to any topic which we are going to take in this series. As you know that YourPedia promised you that yes, we launch 1000 question series because YourPedia believe that we have to enhance your knowledge. We want that every one of you is going to be selected for the interview, and here you know that YourPedia is the India's largest platform which provide you the interview module. So my dear students, keep watching this series because this series is going to be very helpful for you. Here we cover each and every topic, each and every subject, and the best part is this series is going to be live on YourPedia channel. So according to the schedule, we will just start. You will get a notification. Please subscribe the channel so that you will get the notification of these live sessions. In each and every session, we cover the most important problems. Keep in mind, my dear students, and you may feel that whenever you go for the exam, almost problems came from these series only. So my dear student, this series is going to be very helpful for you. That's why keep watching the live session, because whenever you feel any doubt, teacher will take each and every doubt. Now we have only 30 days, my dear students, so don't waste a single minute of your life. Fine, try to give more and more time, try to practice more and more time, and the main objective of this series and this schedule is so that you will get to know today which subject is going to be practice weekend here. So that you can first revise your own stuff, and when we go with this question series, you will able to mark each and every problem. And still you have any doubt, we are here to clarify your each and every doubt. So my dear students, please share this video with your friend, with your colleague, so that they also take the advantage of this series. So that's from my side. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Thank you so much.